Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to sew up some vintage ornaments out of fabric scraps. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you will need 5-inch long fabric scraps of varying widths, one 5-inch long brown or silver fabric strip, a 5-inch by 10-inch piece of fabric for the backing, a 5-inch by 10-inch piece of matching felt or cotton batting. I decided to use matching felt for this project because I didn't want white batting showing, but if it doesn't matter to you, batting's just as easy as felt. A 12-inch ribbon for hanging, pinking shears, and a glue stick. And the template downloaded from debsdays.com. Along with the template, you can also find a written version of this supply list on Deb's Days. I've added a direct link in the description right below this video. Place the backing fabric right side facing down, wrong side facing up. Place the felt or batting on top. Keeping the stack together, center one of your fabric strips, right side up, across the middle of the felt. Use the glue stick to temporarily secure it. You could also pin it if you'd rather. Stitch both sides of the strips using an 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. Place a second strip over the first strip with the right sides together and match the raw edges. Now stitch along the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Finger press it open. Now use the glue stick to hold it down. Place another strip on, right sides together, matching raw edges. And again sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Finger press it open, hold it down with the glue stick. Do another strip. Continue sewing the strips, right sides together, matching raw edges, 1/4 inch seam allowance, until you're about 1.5 inches from the top. For that last strip on the top, use your brown or silver strip. Okay, go ahead and we're going to work from the middle towards the bottom now, following the exact same process. Right sides together, matching raw edges, 1/4 inch seam allowance, finger press open, glue stick, add another strip until the felt piece is covered with the strips. Cut out the template. Place the template on top of the ornament stack with the ornament cap lining up with your brown or silver fabric. Go ahead and trace that. Now just barely cut inside the drawn line with your pinking shears. Fold the ribbon in half. Place the raw edges inside the ornament cap and use a glue stick to hold it in place. Now use a 1/4 inch seam allowance to stitch all around the ornament. If you have any decorative stitches on your machine, this might be a good time to use them to fill in some spacing between the strips or do some straight stitching in between. Totally your choice. Now we have a vintage looking ornament. If you'd like to see more craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stop by the blog at debsdays.com. See you next week with another project.